Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Google Drive. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store. If you'll find here in this blue sign update, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.